Hey, what's up guys, Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about how to use green screen filter and effect on your Instagram Reels. Before we jump into the video, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Alright, now let's jump right into this. And yes, you can use green screen effect without the green screen on your Instagram Reel. It's very easy to do. So let me go log into my Instagram. And here I am. By the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, do that right now. And then we're gonna go to my stories camera because that's how you create Reels right now. So I'm gonna click on this, and now it's already selected. So from the bottom of your screen, so we're gonna select Live, Story, and Reels. So we're gonna click on Reels, and then basically what you're going to do is, so look at this thing called effect, which is the third icon of this thing right here. So when you select on that, now you have all these effects. Ooh, it's recording. Let's go back, delete that. So I'm going to click on effects again. So right now I have access to all of these different effects right here at the bottom. And since I use green screen a lot, for me it's right here. It's on my, and let me do this. Look at this, a green screen behind me. How cool is that, right? All right, now for you, you may not see that option right here. So what you have to do is, I'm gonna scroll all the way to the end. Ooh, it's recording again. I keep hitting the record button. Oh, look at that. All right, so I'm gonna go all the way to the end, and you're gonna go to browse effects. Click on that. And now this is the effects gallery. So click on the search bar right here. And now search for green screen. Return. And there's a lot of different ones. What you want to do is look for green screen by Instagram, which is this one right here. So this is the one that you want to use right here. This one. All right, so now let's cancel that. I have already added it to my effects list. So I'm gonna go back to my Instagram Reels. Let's get rid of that circle. And now let me bring the camera back on me, and I'll click on this. So once you add it, it'll appear at the bottom of your screen. So I'm gonna select that. And now look at this. So I can leave this as is, or I can click on the add media and watch this. So I'm able to add, so if I do that, so I'm adding a picture now, and I can record my Instagram Reel content. Or also I can click on change media, and I can bring, look at that, so I can bring a video. So you can use green screen effect to either put images behind you or videos. It's very, very cool and powerful. And it's very easy to, there are a lot of other green screen filters created by users, but I like the one that's by Instagram. I think that's and it will look something like this right here at the bottom of my screen. All right guys, so if you have any questions related to Instagram Reels or how to use green screen filters, you know what to do. Leave those questions below in the comments. Before you go, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye for now.